We are currently in the rainy season, and this is the time that we usually see a lot of stagnant waters, flooding here and there, and this creates an optimal opportunity for the growth of mosquito and some form of bacteria. Now, some common kind of diseases that usually spread during this period include mosquito-borne illnesses like malaria, dengue fever, waterborne illnesses like cholera and typhoid fever, some respiratory issues or illnesses like flu, and some form of pneumonia. In today's video, I would want us to look at how you and I can help prevent or protect ourselves from the spread of these form of illnesses or disease. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. The first thing is eliminate stagnant waters. Now, when we talk about stagnant waters, these are those form of waters that do not flow. So, if your basin collects water, it is a stagnant water. If a tin can collect water, it's also a stagnant water. Now, if this stagnant water remains still for a very long period of time, it creates the optimal opportunity for the growth of mosquito. Now, when we talk about mosquito, majority of people link it to malaria, but it's not only malaria that mosquito causes. There is one particular kind of disease condition called dengue fever. The particular type of mosquito that causes dengue fever is the Aedes mosquito. But as for malaria, it is the female Anopheles mosquito. According to the World Health Organization, dengue fever is one of the fastest spreading infections ongoing worldwide. So this means that we shouldn't only think of malaria as you are eliminating stagnant water. You should also think of eliminating dengue fever, because once you prevent or you distill stagnant water, you will help prevent the spread of the malaria and also this dengue fever, which is fast spreading. Then the second thing is we need to ensure food and water safety. Now, the kind of water you drink, you need to ensure that it's very, very safe. The food you eat should be hot meal, and also it should be freshly prepared. Now, to those of us that usually buy food outside, we purchase food outside, you need to ensure that the surroundings where they are selling the food is very, very clean, because there are certain kind of places that when you go, there is refuse bins or refuse around, there is a big stagnant water close to where they are selling the food. So you need to ensure that you prevent or you shouldn't buy those kind of food, because in this rainy season there is a lot of spread ongoing. Then number 3 is we need to ensure personal hygiene, like hand washing. If you visit the washroom, you need to ensure that you wash your hand with soap and running water. We need to also ensure that the surroundings we are in is very, very clean. You understand? Because if we don't ensure this, these kind of illnesses can spread. And when they spread, it is you and I and our family members who will be predisposed to this kind of condition. So if you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.